Each carry handle storage box includes 4 complete ratchet straps with camouflage webbing, 4 soft loop straps, a heavy-duty drawstring storage bag, safety and usage instructions, and cool stickers for your trailer. Some of the special features include 1.6-inch tie-down webbing that is 3 times stronger than standard 1-inch webbing on other straps. The ratchet buckles have ergonomic rubber-coated handles that are designed for comfortable use even when wearing gloves or in bad weather. The vinyl-coated heavy-duty latching S-hooks attach easily to any anchor point on your trailer and won't come loose even when the tension is off the strap. Soft loop straps create temporary anchor points anywhere on your trailer, and they're also great for attaching to places on your vehicle like handlebars or other areas that have chrome or paint that you don't want to scratch. Of course, each strap contains a tag that is clearly marked with the safe working load, so you'll be able to pass any DOT roadside inspection.